What's up, guys? This is the JBL E35 wired headphone, and so I bought this because it was on sale for only $15 shipped, and that is a crazy, crazy good value for a JBL headphone. And I think this is a headset because it also have a built-in microphone as well, as you can see over here. So the reason I bought this is because my go-to microphone for my computer, which is the Koss Porta Pro, uh, I think I accidentally tripped on it, so like the head kind of cricket a little bit. So I'm looking for a replacement to the Porta Pro. So the main comparison I'm gonna have is, of course, comparing the E35 to the Porta Pro, which is a open air design headphone. So that means other people can hear what you're hearing. The sound stage, it's actually much wider compared to a closed headphone. So I think this is a closed headphone which doesn't have things going on around this area, so other people will probably not hear what you are listening to. But I'm going to compare the sound quality of both when I plug it into my computer and do a little bit of the gaming and let you guys know how well this sounds for a $15 headphone. Okay, so next I'm gonna take it out of the box, and then we're gonna just quickly do some tests. So on the back of the headphone boxing, it features a couple of those, I guess, features. So it have the JBL signature sound, which I guess just means it sounds pretty good. And you have the comfort fit. It's a fabric headband. You also have a one-button remote with microphone and a tangle-free cable. So pretty basic, to be honest. And you can use it with your phone, with your tablet, laptop, and of course your PC. So gonna open up the packaging. So I already cut the seal over here. So let me see if I can just push it out really quick. So like so. And over here is the headphone. Looks pretty nice and pretty clean. So I'm gonna take it out, see what's under. So I guess all the stuff is hidden in here. You have some, I guess, some manuals, and of course the this is braided wires. So you have a two-ended headphone cable over here, and what's this? Warranty card, probably for just 1 year, maybe. Anyway, let's take a look at the headphone itself. Okay, I took everything out really quickly, so it's pretty basic, to be honest, and it's very plasticky. So the hinge over here actually rotates, so that's quite nice. And the material on the air cup is actually man-made PU leather. So I think in terms of breathability, it's not gonna be as good as, say, a foam on the Porta Pro. But and again, it's a closed design microphone. And over here, if you look inside, it's got some pretty cool looking letters engraved in here, in there. A letter R. Oh, that means it's the right side, and this is the left side. So for easy identification, obviously. The headphone band, it's entirely fabric. So it's fabric wrapped around a plastic, and on the bottom side, you have more soft, kind of softer material. It's not a lot of padding, so, and it's not very, it's not terribly heavy, but it's still got some weight to it. And obviously, you just have one jack over there to plug the cable in here. So I'm just gonna plug the cable. And that's what it looks like. The cable plugs to the right side. So next I'm just gonna actually listen for the music for a little bit, and then play the game a little bit, and then put it on my head, and I'm gonna let you guys know how I feel about the sound quality as well as the comfortness of this headphone compared to what I had before, which is Koss Porta Pro. Okay, so I'll be right back with a quick conclusion. You know what, guys? After only 5 minutes of testing, the headphone doesn't sound any good at all. It actually sounds very hollow. The bass is very lacking compared to my Porta Pro. And I mean, magically, this $30 headset just have a very, very big sound stage. Like when you wear this, or like when you try this, you know exactly what I'm talking about if you haven't tried this. The E35, it kind of looks nice, and it's fairly comfortable, but however, it's a closed design. So when you put the foam cup on your ear, there's actually pressure compressed on your ear all the time, and it's just not very comfortable. Again, with the foam pad, durability wise, it's gonna last longer. However, it's really easy to sweat because it doesn't the air doesn't circulate around the foam pad. The design of the cable, it's fine. It's only 3 foot long, so if you need the headset to be a little bit further away from your device, you'll need to look for a proprietary extension. Because the connector over here, it's actually a slightly smaller connector compared to regular 3.5 millimeter. So you need a proprietary extension, or you just need to get an extension to go over from the other end of the cable. And the adjustment kind of works fairly fine. It's just not, it's overall feels kind of flimsy. Again, not a premium feel on this headphone. So it's actually going back into the box, and then I am actually gonna return it. And again, so far I haven't found any headphone in terms of, you know, the price point of below $30 that beats the Koss Porta Pro. This headset, even though it's kind of almost broken, it still works, and the sound stage is just so much wider. The bass is great. Unfortunately, mine is at end of its life. So you know what, I guess I'm gonna return the one over here and then just get a exact same replacement of the Koss Porta Pro. Hopefully the jack doesn't break again on me. Okay, so there is the review of the quick review of the JBL E35 headset. Fairly disappointed at the sound quality, but for $15 shipped, you know, you might find value in it. However, I didn't find any value in this headphone. I don't even think it's worth $15. So I'm gonna return it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section down below, and I'd be happy to answer the questions for you guys. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.